get blocked? No, I don't want. I don't want. I don't want to remove you and I don't want you to block me. So remove. I don't want to. I will come visit you next month. Only if you can find out where I am exactly in Pangasinan. So I'll let you. I will come visit you. Same. Ano na ba? Malapit. Malapit na tayo magkita doon din. You said me. No, you need to guess. I am a good guy. We just met today. Why would I share my location to you? Oh, talaga. I don't trust you, huh? It's just that it's confidential, you know. But thanks for insisting to visit. Yeah. So we can meet. Cause every time I close my eyes, we already meet here. Getting to know each other. You're also 25, right, Vlad? Thank you, Junie. How long have you been here, Junie? Do you want to join a family? Prime, how about you? Do you want? Mm, yeah. Even ano lang, a badge. I want to join. Really? You want to join our badge? You can join if you want. How long have you been here at Bigo, Juni? Like you've been here for months already or years, days, weeks, seconds, minutes, hours, weeks. Oh, I see. How is Bigo for you so far?